Totally po, hindi po ako spy.
Hindi ikaw yung nasa picture.
Hindi po ako spy, hindi po ako nasa picture, at hindi rin po, Your Honor, ako yung sinasabi niya.
Xie Zhejiang?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Hindi po, okay. I'd like to put that on the record, Mr. Chair, na hindi po niya kilala the person in question na si Xie Zhejiang. Nung nakaraang mga hearings, sinabi niyo po sa Senado at dito sa Congress na ikaw ay Pilipino. Tama po ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
And sabi niyo na din dito lumaki. Tama po ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Dito kayo ipinanganak. Tama po ba?
Yes po, Your Honor. I have my Filipino birth certificate po.
And dito din kayo, Pilipino din yung mga magulang ninyo po.
Ang alam ko po, ang nanay ko po ay Filipina po.
Okay, and yung tatay mo?
Tatay ko po ay Chinese.
Okay.
我接收到很多这个中国公安部和“一带一路”的这个机密啊，一些事情呢还和最高层单位呢有关系。我被送回中国，一定会遭到灭口啊！
Wang Fugui met She in prison and says he witnessed an attempted attack on him.
60-70个泰国人对我10多个中国人进行那个无差别的袭击。为什么知道是针对佘志江先生呢？是因为这些泰国人相互说话当中就是有在找佘志江，那个时间是他律师会见的时间，然后所以说躲避了这一次袭击。
Thai prison authorities did not respond to our request for comment. Wang spent 5 years in jail battling charges related to credit card fraud before being found not guilty. He says he became good friends with She. They were in the same cell. He's now the custodian of many of the tycoon's alleged secrets.
他有在亚太上留下很多那个待解密的那些档案，目前受到他的那个授权所解密的那些内容只是部分的内容而已，但是这些内容涉及到那些国安人员的名单。
He allows us to take a look. One file in particular catches our attention. It's a dossier about Guo Huaping, or Alice, a fugitive and embattled ex-mayor of a small town in the Philippines. Now in police custody, Guo is being investigated for alleged ties to scam operations and money laundering. He's also accused of being a Chinese spy.
菲律宾的这个郭华平呢，我用这个手机呢跟他通过话，当时呢还有这样的。
She says Guo once asked him to help fund her political campaign.
那我更不想得罪这个菲律宾政府了，所以就或者没有给钱。
Guo has repeatedly insisted she was born in the Philippines, a prerequisite for office holders in the country. But She's dossier lists China as her place of birth. Guo had previously claimed she's the daughter of a Filipino woman. But according to this document, her mother is a Chinese citizen called Lin Wenyi. The dossier also lists a family address in China's Fujian province. This is what our researcher finds when he visits the local office of the Chinese Communist Party. At a nearby village, residents shown photographs of Guo recognize her as the daughter of Lin Wenyi, the same name that appears in She's dossier. They say Guo was born here and only moved away towards the end of 2002. She says he has a message for the former mayor.
郭华跟我是不可信的，我们两个你看一下，曾经都为这个国安部卖命，你看看我的下场。要想不被灭口呢，就把真相呢也告诉全世界。
China's Ministry of State Security did not respond to our request for comment. Neither did Alice Guo Huaping.
So, Mr. Chair, making our own researches, this is another source from a completely different party and is unrelated to what we do. Pero nagkataon by the person named Xie Kailum, who si Xie Zhejiang trusted with the encrypted files showed to Al Jazeera that there is a dossier, there are Chinese spies all over, at least in Myanmar, but here also in the Philippines, and undoubtedly shows Go Waping. In the picture where she was born, even her mother, and the name of Lin Wenyi. Mr. Chair, again, we were told, kanina nagtanong tayo kung lumaki ba si Ma'am Alice dito sa Pilipinas, kung dito ba siya ipinanganak, kung Pilipino ba yung mga magulang niya. Lumaki, which is false. Because paano malalaman or ma-identify ng mga tao, she left daw late of 2002. Sabi pa ng tao na in-interview ng Al Jazeera doon mismo sa Fujian. And might we take note, Mr. Chair, na sa video, nung pinuntahan nila yung address na nakalagay sa dossier, sa encrypted dossier, is a local office ng si Xie Zhijiang. Yes or no?
Your Honor, yung si Jijan na sinasabi niyo po, yan po ba yung pinakita niyo po niya sa akin sa picture?
Correct.
Hindi ko po siya kilala. At sana po, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, makuha ko rin po yung details. Gusto ko po magdemanda. Hindi ko po sila kilala.
Hindi natin madidemanda, Ms. Alice, dahil kasi he's in Thailand. And the reason why, so hindi mo kilala yun, ano?
Your Honor, unfair naman po para sa akin. Hindi ko po siya kilala at never po ako humingi ng campaign fund entirely. Never po ako humingi ng campaign fund during my campaign period. At nung video na pinakita po ni Congressman Chino po kanina, hindi ko po siya kilala. At gusto ko rin po na iparating sa lahat ng kababayan ko at Pilipinas na rin po. Mahal ko pang Pilipinas.
Kasi nabanggit dun sa video na you're probably a spy.
Hindi po ako spy.
So, hindi ka spy.
Totally po, hindi po ako spy.
Hindi ikaw yung nasa picture.
Hindi po ako spy, hindi po ako nasa picture, at hindi rin po, Your Honor, ako yung sinasabi niya.
Kasi
In fact,
yung parang pinakita niyang dokumento, I don't know if that is a birth certificate from China, it clearly shows a picture resembles your feature. Di ba? So, 1. 2, pangalan mo, yung Go Waping. Tapos yung place of birth mo, nakalagay daw doon. Nakalagay, China di ba? So, how will you now tell us and convince the Filipino people na ikaw ay hindi spy at ikaw ay hindi involved dito sa Pogo?
Your Honor, I think our government agencies can prove din sa darating ng araw na hindi po ako spy dahil hindi naman po talaga ako spy. Secondly, yung tao po na nasa video po kanina, I'll find way para hindi ko po alam kung paano, pero I'll talk to my lawyer, especially the network, magdidemanda po ako.
Okay, sige. Thank you. The next interpellator is Congresswoman Migs Nograles. You're recognized.
Thank
have
you,
5
Mr.
minutes.
Chair. The network. Anong network to? Per my record po, kung di po ako nagkakamali, Al Jazeera Network. Yung nakita ko po kanina. Pero babalikan ko po kung tama po yung naisulat ko po, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Chair, I'll go back to some questions in relation to the video. So again, Ms. Alice Go, Mr. Chair, you are denying that you are Chinese spy.
Hindi po ako spy.
Well, Mr. Chair, wala naman atang spiya na mag-aamin na spiya siya. No. So, it really begs the question. But anyway, alam niyo ba, Ms. Go, na itong si Xie Zhijiang na umamin na Chinese spy siya, na sinabi naman niya, kilala ka niya, ay inamin niya na dito siya na-recruit sa Pilipinas.
Your Honor, I cannot answer your question dahil hindi ko po siya kilala.
So, to put in record, this video showed, mahaba kasi to, it's an excerpt of the video, that inamin niya na recruited siya dito sa Pilipinas. And